Okay, so today we're going to be working on determining a quadratic equation from a graph. And we're going to be doing that using this form right here, which remember is called vertex form. Okay, now I'll remind you that our vertex we know is P comma Q. So let's go over here to the graph, and our vertex we know is 4 comma negative 1. Okay, so that means that our P is equal to 4 and our Q is equal to negative 1. So we're going to go ahead and plug that into our equation here. So y is equal to a times x minus 4 squared minus 1. Okay, so now what we're going to have to do is solve for a. So in order to do that, we're going to have to plug in a coordinate so that we can fill in our x and y variables. So I'm going to choose this coordinate right here, which is going to be 6 comma negative 13. And I'm going to go ahead and substitute that in. So we're going to substitute negative 13 in for y. And then we're going to substitute in 6 for x. And then keep our vertex points in there. And now we're just going to do some basic math here. So we're going to move that 1 to the other side. So we're going to have negative 12 is equal to a times 6 minus 4 is 2 squared. Okay, so now we're going to be left with negative 12 is equal to 4, because 2 to the power of 2 is 4a. We're going to divide both sides by 4, and we know that negative 3 is equal to a. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and plug that back into our original equation. So we can say that y is equal to, now our a value we already know from right here is negative 3. So we're going to say negative 3. And then we're going to remember x minus 4 squared minus 1. And that is our final answer. And we know that this is true because we can see that since negative 3 means you have a negative a value, that means that our parabola is opening down. Okay? Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.